Hey everyone, and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. What I have today is an unboxing of an item that's new on the market, and it's both in the world of music technology and in the world of ukulele, and it's also going to fit into the area of technology music education, so it really covers all of the work that I do for fun on the side of my job. So let's just do a little unpackaging. I don't really think you can call this an unboxing. I have been in touch with this company for quite a while, and actually I'll put it the other way. I think they reached out to me. I don't think I reached out to them. And for the last months, we've been talking about it. And the product is a new product by a company called Fret Zealot. And they've had a guitar product for quite some time, but now they've made a version for ukulele. So what I have here is in the packet is I have a Fret Zealot. I have a business card from Shaun, who's the CEO. So I've been in touch with Shaun, or Shaun's been in touch with me the entire time. I have a pair of Fret Zealot sunglasses, and the cool part about these, check these out, is that they have a can opener on the side. So if you're ever out camping and you're in the need for a pair of glasses that can open up a bottle of traditional classic Coke, you're covered. So that's kind of fun. I like that. So thank you, Shaun, for that. And then we have in the package the actual Fret Zealot for, this one's for tenor ukulele. They also sell one for concert. And when I was talking with them earlier, I've reviewed the ukulele in the past, and the idea is we want to find ways to allow you to have a fretboard that lights up so that you can find easier ways to put your fingers on it and learn how to play. And then you can pair it with an app, and the app will then show you where to play, and down the roads it can do other things for you. It can help you learn how to play scales, chords, notes. You can play songs, and then you can also put in effects. And so we were talking earlier, and I talked to them about the idea about actually sending me a review uke, and then that has one installed, because I was like, I'd love to try it, I'd love to play with it, but I don't necessarily need to keep it. And they finally just said, no, you know what, we'll just send you one. So this product is just coming out now, and so there's like an outer slip box. I love companies that have great packaging. I just did an unboxing of Enya that has great packaging as well. And a lot of your stuff is replicated on the inside. So as you open up the next level, you get your quick reference guide of how to install them. You get the message of, please don't return this to the store, because I'm sure they're going to be selling them elsewhere. Silica that says very carefully, see if I can get that. It says, throw away, do not eat. Okay, so I'll keep that in mind. Use this for alternate mounting if you don't want to use a capo, because I think you can mount it a couple different ways. There's the USB cord. There's a rather large capo in there. It's really heavy. And you get a couple picks. I think this is like an iPhone stand, but it's pretty cool. It says all the things you get with it if I open up the right package here. So let's see where it comes. I saw a spot where it said all the different things you get. Let me look on here. Yeah, LED, just listed accessories. So you get a battery assembly, the LED strip, and the accessories in it. So pretty soon, maybe hopefully this weekend, I'll get a chance to install this on one of my ukuleles, and we'll get a chance to let you see what that looks like. And I am very familiar with, obviously, the ukulele and its use. And I've actually enjoyed making some videos, like how to play videos using the ukulele, because then I can make, for example, the right fingers light up on a ukulele as I'm playing it on the video, which adds just another way of looking at it. So I'm excited to see how this works out. There's also video instructions if you don't want to try to figure it out on your own, and that will be fun to do. So, all right, so that's the Fret Zealot. That's the unpackaging of that, and I'm looking forward to showing you that soon. So watch the channel, and pretty soon that review will be up as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.